Hello everyone, so let's learn to make this yummy-licious hot chocolate today. Isn't it tempting? Come on, let's learn to make it. So first we're going to start with sieving our ingredients, which is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I have half tablespoon of corn flour right here, and we're going to sieve it really well because cocoa powder tends to have lots of lumps. And after which I'm going to add in my sugar. So you can use caster sugar, you can use granulated sugar or powdered sugar. Give it a good mix, after which I'm going to add a pinch of salt right here. Give that a mix as well. And after this we're going to add in 250 ml of milk. So I'm just adding a little bit of milk over here and just giving it a mix, and then adding rest of my milk. So meanwhile you can switch on your gas and let's give it a good boil. You can also add in cinnamon right here, adding in my dark chopped chocolate. You can add anywhere between 75 grams to 100 grams of dark chopped chocolate. So you can also add in flavorings to it. You can add in some little bit of mint, you can add in orange, some cinnamon. So that's completely up to you. You can also add in some nutmeg powder as well. So give it a good boil and voila, it's ready. Looks so yummy. I'm going to dig in right now and enjoy my hot chocolate. Follow me for more such recipes and give it this video a like. See you with the next video and next recipe. Bye bye.